Hi everybody, Jason.Fairchild here with Guaranty RV. I want to thank you for taking the time to check out our website. Today we're going to go over a 2016 Keystone Passport. It's a 238BH model. No slide, tandem axle, so short little bunkhouse unit. Let's start off going over the interior features and we'll finish up on the outside. Follow me. Alright guys, on the inside here you can see we've got a Murphy bed in this setup. Great for a short trailer. It gives you a couch and a dinette. Most short trailers you're going to only have the dinette, so that's really what you're getting in this one. It's easy to set up. The couch is a jackknife, so you do have storage underneath the couch there. It just lowers down. We've got two pins, one on either side. Real quick and easy to operate. Then your bed just folds out. Really simple. On each side we've got hanging storage, and then across the top we've got storage throughout. As we move through the trailer, we have a nice kitchen here with a double sink, high faucet, lots of storage up above here. Microwave hood combination, 3-burner stove, oven down below. Fridge freezer combination here. Nice and clean. Nice to see the used inventory nice and clean, looking ready for customers to come in. In the rear we've got a bath here, toilet, sink, medicine cabinet, and a shower tub combination over to our right. There is some storage, some wardrobe storage over here. We've got a nice hanging space here, and this has got shelves, but they are removable with a hanging rod above. And across from me, this is the bunks. This is where you'll put your friends, your kids. 300 pounds up top, which is fantastic. We've got good storage below, and each bed has its own window to let some light in, let them see what's going on outside. Our booth dinette is over here across from the kitchen. Storage below each side, and we have a nice table here for eating. Up above we have our TV, additional storage, and a media player over here. This does DVDs, it's Bluetooth, we've got a media card reader, a USB port. It does just about everything, guys. We're going to go over the outside features and finish up. Follow me. So as you can see on the outside here, we've got a smooth-sided fiberglass trailer, nice, easy to keep clean. We've got an electric awning up above here, outside speakers, a great big window here for letting in light and giving you a great view out your dinette. Here we've got a tandem axles. The tires look great. Got a 110 outlet here. Sorry guys, that one's locked. I neglected to open that. I apologize. That's storage below the lower bed in the back, the bunk bed there. Here we've got a bumper. It does have the end cap in. You can store a sewer hose here. You've got your water heater here. Full-size spare tire with a cover on it. Got your tags are good for another 2 months here, so that could save you some money in registering. We've got our 30-amp power cord here. Nice, stows away right there. This is your exhaust to your furnace. This is the back of your refrigerator. Your sewer dump is right here behind the rear tire. You've got manual corner stabilizers all the way around the trailer. Here you've got a hot and cold outside shower, great for cleaning off your feet, washing the dog, cleaning off the kids' hands or feet. Your city water connection here and your fresh water connection here. I kind of like this. Sometimes they spread those out. If you're taking water to dry camp, it goes right here. If you're staying in a park, you'll connect right here. This is the back, or the opposite side of your pass-through storage here. And around up front, we do have a light. If we get into our campground late, you're going to have a battery. We're going to replace that and put a brand new battery on it for the new owner. We're going to fill your propane tank, and it does have an electric tongue jack. Again, this is a 2016 Keystone Passport 238 bunkhouse. If you have any questions on this model or any of our other RVs, please feel free. Give me a call. You can reach me directly at 541-228-6057. Again, my name is Jason Fairchild. Thanks for taking the time to look at Guaranty's website. Have a great day, guys.